Welcome to Geography class. In my previous video, you have already learned about the layers above the Earth's surface. But in this video, we are going to learn about the structure of the Earth, or you can say the interior portion of the Earth. The surface of the Earth is covered by rocks and water bodies. But what about the inside of the Earth? If we want to take a look into the Earth's interior, we will see the Earth consists of three layers. These are the crust, mantle, and the core. The crust is the outermost layer of the Earth. It consists of various landforms like mountains, plateaus, volcanoes, etc. The crust also consists of numerous plates, and the shifting of these plates resulted the formation of continents. In reality, the crust of the earth is very thin layer. The thickness of the crust varies from 8 to 50 km. The crust is divided into two parts. These are continental crust and oceanic crust. The continental crust is made up of silica and aluminium, which is called Cl, and the oceanic crust is made of silica and magnesium, which is called Sima. Crust is thicker under the continents and thinner under the oceans. This is obvious because ocean is like a cavity filled with water. Again, the thickness of the crust will be more near the areas of mountains, like it is thicker in the Himalayan region. The average density of crust is 2.7 to 3. The crust floats on the top of the next layer, which is mantle. The mantle forms the main mass of the earth. It is the layer just under the crust. Its depth about 2,900 kilometers. The mantle is partly molten layer, or we can say semi-solid in nature. The temperature can reach up to 4,000 degrees centigrade. The upper layer of the mantle is also called the asthenosphere. The hot magma from the mantle travels to the Earth's crust. In addition to the asthenosphere, there is also another layer which is called the lithosphere. The crust and the uppermost layer of the mantle together form the lithosphere. The next layer of the earth is core. Now again, core has been divided into two parts. Those are the outer core and the inner core. Core is extremely hot. The temperature of the outer core is about 5,000 degrees centigrade. The outer core is made of liquid irons. It has a depth of 2,200 kilometers. Now we are going to discuss the innermost layer of the earth, which is called the inner core. The inner core has a temperature of 6,000 degrees Celsius. This is nearly the temperature of the sun's surface. The inner core has a depth of 1,250 kilometers. Unlike the outer core, again the inner core is in solid state. The intense pressure of the layer of the earth ensures the inner core remains solid in nature. Within the inner core of the earth, there are radioactive elements such as uranium. These elements give heat when they decay. But the core has also very important function. It is responsible for the magnetic field of the earth. The magnetic field is generated in the inner core, and the convection within the outer core results the creation of the magnetic fields. And this magnetic field protects us from the solar winds. and the high energy particles from the sun. The three layers of the earth all have special functions. Now you already know that what the earth looks like, both the inside and the outside. I hope this video is informative for you. So, stay happy, stay safe. I am going to meet you very soon. Bye.